Y'all are not ready for this shit.
Because in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the 3 things that are the most overlooked in all short form content. And if you nail these 3, I guarantee you that you will be leveling up every single video that you are creating from now on. And you're gonna look like one of the high qualiest creators probably in the game. Like, these are crazy. And if you're wondering like, who the fuck is this guy? Well, my name is Torsten Roscoe and I help short form content creators just like you seamlessly edit all your short form content videos. So instead of you taking the entire day wasting your life on useless repetitive tasks, all you have to do now is drag and drop them using my presets and systems, and boom, you'll feel all that amazing emotions that you first felt. Like, you'll have fun, you'll enjoy editing once again. I'll leave all those down in the link description, but for now, let me teach you my 3 secrets that really upgraded all my short form content.
Yo, I got a lot of energy today. This is gonna be a great video. Okay, we're starting off with this first one. I fucking love this one. I'll show you the beginning. So this is before and after. It's really kind of quite simple, but it's something you really need to nail if you want to make your content look good. And it's not just the way this looks. I mean, you can look at every single one of these. Boom, boom, boom. What do they all have in common? Well, they all have in common, well, me, my sexy face. But more importantly, the reason why this is such a banger and high quality look video is because of all the colors that pop really well. I recommend you guys always optimizing your environment to always play with the vibrant colors. You can see when I'm in my room, I have a very vibrant kind of green plant. I'm wearing a very vibrant color blue, my color grade. And back here, you can see that there's like, back here in this like general direction, you can see that there's an orange book that's very vibrant. The colors back here are warm, tonish, vibrant. I like vibrant colors. So if you guys implant that all like a lot of vibrant colors, I guarantee you will upgrade your level of your video. You can see right here. And the way I do it, because you're probably wondering like, how the hell do I do this, Torsten? Well, the way I do it is I made it a simple 1-step click/solution, which is I come over to here. Obviously we're in the Lumetri color because this is a color grade, and I come into my creative. Obviously this is what the footage looks like before I add the color pop, and then this is after. Huge difference. And all I have to do is come in and browse, click here, go into my LUTs. I'll leave those down in the link description. They save me so much time and they've upgraded my color grading like fucking crazy. And I've seen a ton of other people, but for this video, I grabbed the 1-click color pop. It's really self-explanatory. I'll double click it, boom. I mean, it's 2 clicks, technically it's 2, my bad. But like, look at this. I'll play this really quick. Like, oh, it looks so sexy. This is before, after, like these greens pop more. If you don't want that one, that's totally fine. There's other ones, there's super other good ones too. Like this outside film color pop looks really good too. Just pop it. It kind of brings in more of like the lights, kind of gives it more of a, like a natural feeling, I would say. You can see like the exposure is just up a little bit, but like the greens pop really well. This just is super duper great job at doing what it's supposed to do. And now let's go on to the second thing that's gonna completely change your content creation, which is a thing that not a lot of people I think talk about, but I think it's very essential. So when I play this video, it's gonna teach you exactly what it is. Actually, both of them are gonna see. So the first thing, or the second thing I'm talking about is this zoom. So let's get rid of the zoom right now. And this is what the entire video looks like. This shine effect
without the zoom. It's like, it's kind of just boring. I mean, this shine effect is really good. That's gonna be our third one. We're gonna get in a little bit, but for now, this zoom plays a huge factor into what your content really looks like. It will grab your eye because right now, as I play this, there's not really anything comedy. So, and think about like you scrolling on your video. Like if you're just scrolling on your phone and there's just like this video of me playing and there's no zoom at the beginning, you're just going like, boom, you're gone. I missed your viewer. I missed your chance of you connecting with me and eventually building a bond with me. But now, if you add this zoom, I guarantee you will pull more views. And now let's watch it with the zoom. Like boom, like if I, just that subtle little zoom, if I like was scrolling and I saw that like zoom out, I'm like,
this guy might know a little bit what he's talking about. his quality it's up there, man. The way I get this zoom is pretty simple. If you search up a zoom called transform, or a effect called transform in Premiere Pro, so I'll just search it up, transform. I have mine right here. You just put it on here. I'll get rid of this one really quick. And now there's obviously nothing. I'll show you a really cool way I do my zoom. I come into transform, make sure that this shutter angle is unchecked and the shutter angle is 360. So then when the zoom and scale is happening, there will be a motion blur. You will see in a little bit what that looks like, and I'll show you like the before and after. But for me, the zoom I like to do is a very like quick like zoom out like you saw. So I will toggle the animation for scale. Just put this at like, I think this one's at like, it looks like 150. So we'll put it at 150 right now. So you can see it's really zoomed in, that's totally fine. Go, I would say, I don't know, a few frames forward or a second forward, and then put it at, whoa, that's way too much. Put it at 100. So now it'll pull like this.
This shine effect was...
So obviously that kind of looked like ass. I'll fix it with you, don't worry, don't worry. Hold left click, right click onto these, ease in. Now it's gonna be a little better. Here's where the secret sauce is. Click this carrots over here, or this arrow, whatever you like to call it, and click on the right one, bring this right one all the way to the left, and now you get my signature zoom in a second.
This shine
boom.
effect.
It looks super freaking clean, and I'm guessing you don't want to do this each and every single time. So I actually, if you want my exact same one, which I don't really know why you wouldn't want mine. I mean, my shit's great, man. I use it each and every single time, and I actually have fun editing now instead of just doing the same thing over and over again. All I have to do is get rid of this. Let's just actually get rid of my other one. And I just come over to my zoom pack. There'll be a link in the description too. But honestly, I just recommend getting the all pack because you'll get every single one of my color LUTs that we showed earlier. This, you get this shine effect. You get all of these 4 exclusive hooks, all my other packs, and so much more. So it's really a no-brainer. These save me countless hours and hours and hours. People like Ryan Panetta use it, Derek Orts uses it, Brian Delamata, all these huge creators use my packs because they don't want to spend their entire life doing the same thing over and over again, and they don't want to waste basically entire days of their life. And if you actually compound that into, that would take entire years of your life editing, which we don't have time for. We're here to make some money. We're here to create and have fun. And my editing packs basically get rid of all those years that you'd waste into a simple drag and drop solution. So it's really a no-brainer for me, and I honestly wouldn't be editing without these packs. I'll just grab this SIG zoom and boom, now I have my signature zoom.
This shine effect was only...
I mean, it's, damn, that was really good actually. Holy shit, I didn't even realize my shit was great. And for this last and final one, obviously it's kind of self-explanatory. You can see it on screen right now. It is this shine effect. This shine effect is really brand new, and I think that the reason why everyone is using it is because it makes your content look so much better. And I actually spend so fucking long making this shine effect for you guys. So instead of you guys going in After Effects and spending countless hours creating this effect, all I have to do is come up to my graphic templates and I can just grab whatever shine effect I want. So for instance, let's just kind of remake this shine effect really quick so I can give you an example of what it looks like. I'll delete this one. I'll come in here and let's say I wanted this just regular shine effect, but there is also other shine effects that are exclusive and have just really cool like different effects. Like this one has like a flicker effect. If I drag and drop it, you can see that when it renders, it kind of has this really cool flicker. So we'll actually just use this one, but there's a bunch more like just the regular shine effect if you want. There's a blur, bunch more. And let me just put this down where it should be really quick. Put it up, and then that said only, so I'm just gonna put only. I can change the font if I want, so let's just come into here. I'm gonna come into my 15 fonts that I collected for you guys. They'll also be in the all pack, and if you want to get this shine effect and only the fonts and everything like that, they'll be in my captions FX pack. But just grab the all pack. It's really a no-brainer. And basically you can just come in here, grab whatever font you want. So I'm actually gonna, we can grab like a cool one. Ooh, that one's actually pretty cool. I actually been fucking with this one lately, this Night Seraph. If I do dark, Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. Or let's fuck with, ooh, hold on. Yes, sir. And I wanna make it bold, and we'll up the font size right here, bring this down a little bit, and now boom, it looks, ooh, that's really sexy. And because that was purple, I'm going to kind of try to make the same purple. I'm just gonna come in here and go to the purple. That's pink. I don't want that. Ooh, yo, hold on. I've actually seen that if you actually bring this color picker like kind of darker, it makes this color like, look at that. Ooh. Yo. This is too good. Hit okay. It's good, looking pretty good. Just a little bit more, like stronger. Ooh, actually go down a little bit more. There. I like that. That looks pretty good to me. And what I'm gonna do is, because this glows a little too much, you can do two things. You can go to the glow and mess with the intensity, but I'm not gonna do that, but just surely, oh, actually, hold on. Actually, I'm going to do that. Take my words back. And then I like to add a drop shadow. You guys can search up drop shadow, or, I mean, you got the pack, so might as well go to caption presets and go to the drop shadow that's made specifically for this thing, or this shine effect. Drag and drop it, boom, now it looks actually pretty good. Drop it one more time, looks pretty good. Actually, I like that glow, so I'm actually just gonna leave it just like that, because I think it looks pretty good. It pops really well, like I like it. And boom, now that is done, now we can just come into here and we can make it appear up if I wanted to. And now it looks exactly like this.
Was only available.
Yo, what the fuck? I never even tried it like that. That's the first time I've actually ever did that. That's sick. It has that like really cool pop-up and flicker in. Yo, what the fuck? I swear to God, I've never actually made that effect. So those are the three things that you guys should be implanting into your short form videos. I totally recommend you using every single one of these tricks. They're going to upgrade your workflow and your content to the next level that we are seeing in these type of videos. So if you want to learn more about this shine text effects and all these other packs that I have, go click this video right over here. It'll teach you everything I know, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!